Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go on Guitar, an interesting collab here with Dua Lipa and Troye Sivan. They collaborate on Physical, alright? So we have this melody going on from the beginning till the very end. You can also switch it up with some strumming, and that's it. So let's dive into the Physical song here. And you can see, no need for any capo. We have 4 easy chords. Let's learn them first. We're gonna start with A minor, and A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is F. That's the bar chord. You play the index finger on the first fret and you cover all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next. So that goes third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is G. And that will be third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so we're going to start with the melody first, and the pattern will be the same, just different bass notes for the first 3 chords. And the chords will be A minor, F, and C. And then we're going to finish off with G. We'll come to that, but first, the A minor parts. And it goes like this. Okay, so what I do here, I use my backside of my hand here and lean that on top of the strings to get that muted feeling. All right, and now we're gonna work with bass notes and alternate them with these melody notes. And like I said, the pattern will be the same for the A minor, F, and C chords. So let's look at the A minor. You're gonna play open A as the bass note, so 2 times on that. Then third D, then 2 times bass note. Then second fret D string, then 2 times on the bass note. Then open D string, then 2 times on the bass note, then again open D string, then 2 times on bass note, and then open D and second D. And that is 1 round. You're gonna play only this 1 round for the A minor, so slowly it goes like this. So there you have it. Now into the F parts, and you're gonna, like I said, follow the same pattern. You just switch out the bass note now to the first fret E string. So slowly it will sound like this. The same goes for the C part. Now the bass note will be on the 3rd fret A string. Alright, so there you have the first 3 chords, and now we're gonna finish off with the G, and it goes like this. So the bass note now will be on the 3rd fret E string. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 times on that. Then you're gonna play 3rd D, then 2 times bass note, then 2nd D, then 2 times bass note, then open D, then 2 times bass note, then 3rd fret A string, then 2 times bass note, and then 2nd fret A string for 2 times. And that's the end of the G and this melody part. So I'm gonna take you through this, and I'm gonna take down the tempo and start from the beginning there of A minor and go through this melody 1 round. It goes like this. right, cool melody there. Now let's switch it up with some strumming, and it's a very simple pattern. If you grab the first chord, now of course you need to hold the full chords as they are, the A minor, F, C, and G, and you're gonna play down, down, clap, down. This song here is very dominant on the beat, so the clap there will be very good to bring in. So down, down, clap, down is one round, like this. So 2 downs, 1 clap, and 1 down. A couple of rounds goes like this. I play 4 rounds for you, and that is what you're going to do as well per chord. So A minor 4, F4, C4, G4, like this. There you have all the tools, guys, to handle Dua Lipa's and Troye Sivan's physical. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Cool song. Try it out. Some mishmash between the melody and strumming, and that's it. So good luck and play tuned.